Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you own the Tecno device and preparing tools. Gather purchase proof, note the IMEI, and confirm which Google account is linked. Once done, charge the phone above 50% and enable Wi-Fi if accessible so remote services can connect. Make sure you have a second device or computer ready to receive emails, SMS, or verification codes. This preparation speeds recovery and prevents mistakes when you use official account recovery or service center options. Next, follow legitimate account and device recovery channels rather than attempting circumvention. Sign in to your Google account on another device and open Find My Device to locate, lock, or remotely erase the phone if you accept data loss. If the phone refuses sign-in, use Google's account recovery flow to regain access to the linked account. At the same time, contact Tecno support or an authorized service center with purchase proof and IMEI. They can perform manufacturer procedures that respect ownership and warranty. Finally, choose the least risky path. If you accept losing local data, perform a factory reset through official recovery menus or Find My Devices Arrays option. This removes the lock but wipes data. If data preservation is critical, consult an authorized Tecno service center with ID and purchase proof so technicians can validate ownership and use manufacturer tools. If anything goes wrong, restore from backups and immediately change passwords, and enable screen lock and two-factor authentication to prevent future lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.